Now, what about this Svbony branded bag? Perhaps you already know this, but Svbony also produces video and audio equipment, and they sent me this video transmission system. Specifically, I got the ST1 model, which allows you to wirelessly transmit video from one source to another. So basically, I got my camera here, and as you can see, I have this HDMI cord running to a wireless transmitter from Svbony. This is so actually weird to look at Svbony logo on non-astrophotography accessory. Here I got my screen and a receiver. There once again I got a 4K video here running, and yeah, before I had the screen located on my camera like a few feet from me, but now it's much closer. So this setup lets me monitor framing much better while also keeping an eye on camera settings, and now it's all closer to me right here. Big thanks to Svbony for this awesome gift. At first I was kind of surprised to see it, since my channel is all about astrophotography or astronomy, but as Svbony said, they sent it to me to use on the channel, and I'll be definitely using this device later in my future videos, and I'm actually doing it right now.